In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make circular text in Figma. By the end, you'll be able to place any phrase neatly along a circle so it looks polished and professional. Start by opening the Figma website in your browser and heading to your project. Once your page is open, we'll set up a simple backdrop so the curved text is easy to see. Draw a rectangle on your canvas and fill it with black. This background is just for contrast, so your text and shapes stand out clearly while you work. Next, create a circle that will act as the path for your text. Use the shape tools to draw an ellipse and hold Shift to keep it perfectly round. Size it to the diameter you want your text to follow. Think of this circle as the rail your letters will ride on. Now add your text. Select the text tool, click on the canvas, and type your phrase. Pick a font and size that roughly matches your vision. You can fine-tune it later once it's on the curve. Shorter phrases will need larger letter spacing to wrap nicely, while longer phrases might require smaller type to fit the full circle. With your circle and text ready, highlight both at the same time. Selecting both layers is important because we're about to tell Figma which text should follow which path. Make sure they're both clearly selected on the canvas or in the Layers panel. Go to the Actions menu, then choose Plugins. In the plugin search, enter To Path. This tool links your text to the circle's edge. Select To Path and click Run once to launch it. Inside the plugin, click Link. The text will snap onto the circle and follow its curve. From here, refine the look. If the text crowds the curve, adjust your font size or letter spacing so it reads cleanly around the circle. You can also reposition the text layer relative to the circle to control where the phrase starts. If you want the text to sit outside the circle rather than inside, try slightly increasing the text size or adjusting its baseline until it sits exactly where you want. Keep an eye on legibility. High contrast colors against the black rectangle make a big difference, and a clean sans serif often reads best on curves. That's it. You opened Figma, set up a black rectangle, drew a circle, added your text, selected both layers, ran the two-path plugin from Actions and clicked Link to curve the text along the circle. With a few typographic tweaks, you'll have smooth, professional circular text ready for your design.